How to send stickers and emo. Want to make your emo chats a little more fun and expressive? Using stickers is a fantastic way to do that. Let's jump right into how you can send them. First things first, let's open the emo app. It's right over here. Tap on it, and that will be directing you to the chat section, and this is exactly how the chat section look like. Now simply tap on the chat that you want to send this sticker. For example, I want to send this sticker to this first person. Let's tap on it. Now, once you're in the chat, look down at the message bar. It's right over here. Right next to where you tap, you will see a small smiley face icon. Give that a tap. And here you can see the emojis and the sticker board. To find the sticker, look for the icon that looks like a peeling sticker or the square face. Here you can see the icons like this, and it is divided by the categories. Most of them are funny and engaging too. For example, this one is of cute couple one, a girl, this maybe a cheeseburger, cute cats, emojis, girl, and many more. Choose the one that you want to send. For example, I want to send this one, and it's done. Isn't that cute? That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.